I have this 10-inch embroidery hoop that you can get at most craft stores for about $3.99, and this lace table runner that I grabbed at Hobby Lobby, and it was on sale for $5.99. I did put a SKU at the end of this video. However, you have to watch your weeks as in order to get the 40% off. I did cut the table runner and engaged it into this embroidery hoop, and then with a glue gun took the excess material and tucked it in the inner portion of the backside. And for that $6, you can make quite a few of these or other crafts. There's quite a few of the table runner left over. Then I grabbed a very thin red plaid ribbon that I had, and I stitched it in and out of the outer lace area of this runner. I just stitched it in and out on each eye, and then completed the same process on the lower part. It was easy to just cut the ribbon and tuck it over with some hot glue to secure the ends. Guys, this is really super simple. So I found these little metal words. I did get this at the dollar store. It was in a bundle of 3. If you can't find them there, Hobby Lobby does have them for a couple dollars over by the glass jars. And then I grabbed a succulent, glued it up in the corner, and added some of the additional ribbon, the same pattern I had, and just tied it up in the corner. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can go check us out on YouTube. And for any paint products or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.